Hey guys, it is time for another YABOT update. Today I'm releasing version 1.3, and with this version more than ever it's easy to learn new build orders, and I'm going to show you sort of the workflow to learn and master new build orders. So first of all, when you download the map, you'll get several maps and you'll get a link to sc2builds.com. This is a website I've been working on with a friend of mine, and we're pretty happy with how it's turned out. You can get a lot of build orders already. I think we're almost up to 100 after just a month of being open. So and you can put those right into YABOT, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So pop open the website and go to build orders, and you can filter by matchup. So I want to look at all the Terran ones, for example. And here are the top rated builds. I can preview, the different steps. So let's just look at this 111 build. And what I'm going to do is go down here. Yeah, the steps look good. I want to try this one out. I want to learn this one. So I go to YABOT single player map encoding, and I just copy this. And then what I do is open up the banks folder. The first time you run the map, it'll create this SC2 bank file. So you do need to run the map first to get this. But you'll go to My Documents, StarCraft 2 Banks, and then open this up in any text editor. Here's just Notepad right here. There are a couple of sections: Protoss build orders. Here's Zerg build orders, and I want to go down to Terran build orders right here. And I know that the slots aren't exactly in order. I'm not sure how to control that, but just choose one. So here's build order 7, and we'll see where it says value string equals, and then everything in the quotes gets replaced with what I just copied from the website. So I paste that and then just save this file, and then I'm ready to go. So what I do now is just run the map. I'm just going to drag this into StarCraft 2, and it'll load up here in a second. Okay, we're loaded. One of the new features I wanted to show you is the demo mode. So let's say this is a brand new build order and I don't know anything about it. Of course, the AI won't exactly do it how you would do it as far as placements and things like that. Also, keep in mind that the AI tends to cheat with resources, especially greater than hard level. But anyway, I can go to demo mode, and here's the 111 build in slot 7. Preview of the steps, and I'll switch it to medium AI, and I just hit start game, and what this will do is move my camera to the AI. It'll show me the objectives list as seen by the computer, and the computer will start working on the build. It's going to try to do everything as fast as possible. It's going to build things right at these supplies, assuming that it's actually possible to do it. But you can get a sense of how you should be doing the build order. Again, you shouldn't follow this to the T, but it's a good starting point. And I'll just wait until the computer makes the first structure so you can see how it works. Unfortunately, there's no way to see in this mode what the computer's resources are. But there, he built the supply depot, and this is another new feature where as you complete items on the objective list, it changes it to put in the time that you completed it, so you can get a sense of how fast you're going right there. Okay, so this is a good starting point. You can see the build order being executed. The next best thing you want to do is actually start to practice it, right? So I'm going to go to restart the map and show you some new tools you have for practicing. One of them is called checkpoints that I've added. So let's go to advanced, and I'll choose the 111 that I want to practice. Let's just do no AI for now. Notice also that now I have a slider here for how many minutes I want to go for this round. So let's set it to 20. Okay, start game. Now checkpoints are kind of cool. This is an experimental feature, I would say, so don't go too crazy on it yet. But let's say I get started here. I'm just going to wait till I have enough minerals to build the supply depot. Alright, so I built the supply depot, and what I'm going to do is type in -SC, that stands for save checkpoint. And it says checkpoint was saved to load, type LC, load checkpoint. So now I'm going to go over here and build a refinery. So now I've checked off both of those. But let's say I'm not happy with how I behaved after I built the supply depot, and I'd like to go back to that point. I can type in -LC. It restarts the map. And if you watch these objectives list, hey, look at that. There's the supply depot I built, and I've got my minerals back, and the supply depot is checked off. So you can sort of go back to a position that you were at before, and this is a highly requested feature. Please let me know what kind of bugs you find and whether or not it's useful. So the final thing I wanted to show you, which is also a requested feature, is the attack waves that I put back in. I put sort of a simplified version of attack waves. So I'm going to go back to advanced mode. Let's practice that 111 build again. But this time, instead of hard AI, I'm going to go down here to attack waves. And now I've got my choice of 3 different waves. I can choose for each wave the time it comes, the quantity, the unit, and an associated upgrade, which is optional. So if I go to Protoss, for example, let's send, actually let's go to Zerg. Let's go ahead and send 30 banelings right at 20 seconds. Completely realistic, right? Upgrade centrifugal hooks, let's say. And just for fun, let's send another massive banelings at 30 seconds. And by the way, you can set this at the same time, you know, to have the effect of an extra large wave. I'm just going to go start. And I'll type in the cheat code so I can see what's going on at the computer end. Here we are, 10 seconds, and at 20 we should see a bunch of banelings pop out. So, these are the new features. Whoa, that's nice. Let me know how you like it, what kind of bugs you find. Please post on the new forums on sc2builds.com. I check those a lot more often than the Team Liquid forums. And other than that, yeah, just have fun. Oh, here's my second wave. Alright, see you later.